So in the last class, we were discussing the synthesis of analog filter, doubly terminated, where we had the situation okay, and we came up with the relationship that Tj omega square, which is defined as the transfer function, which is equal to a ratio of output power to available input power which is equal to V2 square by R2 divided by EA square by 4R1, right? The method we adopted was, given Tj omega square, first step is to make sure that it is less than 1, because this ratio has to be less than 1. You can't get output power more than what maximum power you can get from the source. So you will have to do some normalizations if required from the Tj omega square, which is given, to make sure it is less than or equal to 1. And second step is to write Tj omega, rho omega square as equal to 1 minus Tj omega square, right? And from this you find out rho of S, and then you find out from rho of S is equal to, by definition, Z in minus R1 and then from here you find out Zs, and then apply Miyata on Z of S. While doing this, you have a freedom to choose either a plus or a minus rho of S, because you are only defined the square function. So I can have it as plus rho S or minus rho S. This plus gives you one Z in, minus gives you some other Z in. Both of them will satisfy this requirement of Tj omega square, except the fact, as you will see, that these two values will get interchanged. That means in one case, this if it is specified some value, some other value, you will get reverse value, which in network theory we call dual networks, but we will see that in a minute. Okay? So this is the procedure. So I'll take up an example. Tj omega square is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega square. Omega 6. I want this variation with respect to frequency as equal to Butterworth, third order Butterworth. I still have to normalize it. So I'll just keep some constant here H to make sure that this is normalized for the conditions that I have. So to normalize it, I must somehow find how the value of H is. If you look at this network, is a low pass characteristic, right? The transfer function low pass characteristic, that omega is equal to 0 is maximum because denominator is becomes 0, and as omega goes to infinity it becomes equal to 0. So, the low pass function at omega is equal to 0, this value is equal to h, right. Now, what does this network become at omega is equal to 0? We have agreed, since the low pass network here, if the inductors and capacitors that are sum of them is equal to the power of this rho of s, and that should be such that the series inductors and shunt capacitors, and at s is equal to 0 or omega is equal to 0, series inductors are a short circuit, omega L is 0, and the shunt capacitors are infinity, so they are open circuit. So, at s is equal to 0, this network basically becomes a short on this side. You agree this point or not? Because a ladder network with series is inductors and shunt capacitors, series inductor becomes short circuit, shunt capacitor becomes open circuit. So, this network effectively at s is equal to 0 becomes this. So, this filter which you are designing at s is equal to 0 should have the value of T j omega square equal to whatever comes with this network. And how much is that? This ratio of output power to the input power will come out to be equal to 4 let me take some values. R1 is 1 ohm and R2 is 2 ohms, and then the output will become equal to V square by R2, and R2 is equal to 2, and this becomes ES square divided by 4 R1. This is my T j omega square. And if you look at this, you can very quickly find out what is V2. V2 is equal to ES into 2 divided by 3. So, V2 by ES square comes out to be at S is equal to 0. Right? Is it with you? So, this is equal to 4 by 9. How much does it become? 8 by 9. So, at S is equal to 0, this function according to this comes out to be equal to 8 to 9, and this function it comes out to be equal to h. So, h must be equal to 8 by 9. So, I have now fixed this condition, and I made sure that every value of omega will be less than 1, because at the maximum possible value it is definitely equal to 1. So, the rest of the values will be lower than that. After deciding this h, I will go to second step. Which is equal to 1 by 9